In a very interesting move, the Lagos State government has unveiled the alignment for the Greenline project, a $3 billion 70 kilometers metro rail project designed to alleviate pressure on the city's road networks. The island part of Lagos, especially areas like Ozumba Mbadiwe, Amadu Bello Way, and the Lekki-Epe Expressway, has long suffered from heavy traffic congestion. As the city continues to grow rapidly, the limited number of road means people spend long hours stuck in traffic. This problem is made worse by constant road repairs and lack of reliable mass transit options. To address these challenges, the Lagos State government, through the Lagos Metropolitan Area Transport Authority (LAMATA), has announced the Greenline, a major metro rail project worth $3 billion. This 70 kilometers railway project will connect Marina to the Lekki Free Trade Zone, offering a better way for people to move around the city and easing the pressure on the busy roads. The Green Line would also include 17 stations. It begins at Marina stations and runs eastwards on elevated tracks along Ring Road. It crosses the 5 Cowries and Falmore bridges and then joins the Lekki-Epe Expressway. One of the first major stops will be at the Civic Center, with the train station located south of the Civic Tower. After passing the Lekki toll gate, the railway will continue at ground level with stations at Lekki Phase 1, Freedom Way, Jakande Market, and Chevron. Once it crosses the new Dr. Harris Bridge, it becomes elevated again through the Ajah flyover, where a 3-level station will be built. From there, it moves back to ground level near Abraham Adesanya and continues along several communities including Ogombo, Songotedo, Lakwe, Eleko, and ends at the Lekki Free Trade Zone. Each station will have a modern design featuring green and white colors, pedestrian bridges, elevators, and escalators to make them accessible to all passengers. There will also be a large depot near Songotedo and a parking facility near the Lekki Free Trade Zone. According to the plan, the trains will consist of 8 cars per set and travel at speed of 100 km per hour with a minimum waiting time of 3 minutes between stations. The system is expected to carry 35,000 people per hour in each direction. The project will be built in stages. However, stakeholders have raised concerns about the number and locations of the stations. In Victoria Island, for example, only one station is planned, at the Civic Center, which could limit access for people who live and work in that area. Some people believe that the line should pass through more commercial areas like Amadu Bello Way and Ozumba Mbadiwe, with additional stops at busy places like Bonny Camp and NNPC. This would make the train more useful, help reduce crowds at a single station, shorten delays, and give more people easy access to the system. Others have raised concerns about the spaces between the stations in Lekki. They suggested adding more stops at places like Sandfield, Marwa, Graceland, Abijo, and Beechwood Estates. These locations